Hi, this is Canon PIXMA TS9551C. This printer is wireless printer. You can print, copy, scan, and also with ADF. And from the copy settings, select copy if you want to copy the document. Then you select, the next thing you will see is standard copy, borderless copy, or frame erase copy, or photo. Okay, if it's standard, select standard copy, which is A4 paper, black and color. If you want to do anything with the settings, select settings. Then it give you option for you to check the intensity, magnif, A4 paper, plain paper, print two-sided print. Now, for instance, if you want to print document two-sided, so open up the printer, still the document you want to copy, select two-sided, scroll down and select two-sided, click OK. You also need to select if you want to copy with black or white. If you are copying black and white, select black and white. How many copies of document you want to copy? If you want to copy 2, tap up and down arrow to select 2, the number, click OK. So now we want to copy this document black, okay? Click select black and it will start to copy. So right now black and white is what is copying. Page 2, place the next original and tap scan. So open it up, turn it upside down, okay, and tap scan. So if you want to copy another work, place another document and tap, okay, to reserve copying. You can see the document is copying right now, okay, and it's copying two-sided. If you are in the middle of the job and change your mind, you can select stop to cancel it. This is the document we copied. I'm going to cancel it now. Okay, so the second page is cancelled. Okay, you can see that the second page is cancelled. I only printed one page, okay, but I just want to show you how you can select 2 pages. So we copied two-sided, black and white for this. If you want to copy color, the same thing, black and white, then you select the color to colored. Okay, so open it up. Okay, once you open it up, turn it upside down, or if you have another document, if you want to scan different documents, okay, for instance, if you want to scan this document, instead of this, you remove it and put the second document you want to scan, close it, click scan, tap scan, and it will start to scan. Now the next is copying, so it's going to print it out. You can see it's colored. It's going to go back inside. Here we go. So it's going back in. Okay, you can see the first and the second. Okay, so this one I'm going to cancel it. Okay, so this is the document we scan, colored, back and forth. Okay, so front and back. And right now I've canceled this document. Okay, so this is going to, you can see it didn't scan the second page because I canceled it. You can see, so only one page is scanned. The second page, I canceled the job. So this is how to copy your document. Select any job you want to copy using the function. If you want to go back to the main menu, you can use this arrow to go back to the main menu. The same thing is applicable. The next function is for you to scan. If you select scan, you can scan, save to computer, okay, and attach to email or save to cloud. If you want to scan to email, then you need to select attach to email, okay. Then you need to select, you need to see local USB. So you need to connect your printer using USB, okay, for you to select local USB. Okay, so I'm going to go back again because this printer is not connected to USB. You can also save to cloud, okay, or save to the computer, which means you need to attach it to local USB. Now I'm going to go back. So go back again. This is print, okay, so you can see memory card. If you have your memory card, you can stick the memory card and select the document memory card. Likewise, print from cloud or templates. So you can select your memory card and print from it. Okay, so the memory card goes, this is where the memory card goes. It goes in here, stick your card and print. So I'm going to go back again. So this is the features for this printer. This button here is for Wi-Fi. Okay, and this is for you to, this is the settings for this printer. You can see device setting, feed setting, maintenance, cloud application. You just need to scroll up, cloud application, web service setup, quiet setting. So you can select quiet setting depending on what you want to do. So you can get all this information by selecting, going to the settings. If you want to copy using ADF, you stick the document, okay, on this ADF, select copy. Okay, standard copy. Now go to the settings, scroll up, so you can select where you want to print. You can select auto or casket. Okay, in terms of where you want to print the document type, document source, okay, is auto. You can pick the document from the rear paper tray or front. Okay, just tap here to go scroll up. Okay, now what I want us to do is duplex scan. Okay, select duplex, okay, which is double-sided scan, click OK. Two-sided printing, select two-sided printing, select yes, click OK. So what it's going to do right now is going to scan this document two-sided, okay, and print it two-sided. Click, okay, once you're done, click start. So you can select copy or color, start. So it's going to scan this document two-sided, okay, and print. Now load the output, okay, load the output document as shown without changing the orientation, then tap bring it out. Okay, so then the next you need to do is to do the second one. You just need to go back, okay, click scan. So it's going to scan the other side. Two-sided scan using ADF. the operation panel is closed. Okay, so open the operation panel, click OK. Here we go. So the document right now will come out. You can see. You can see it's going back in. This is the document copying using ADF. Two sides. You can see this side and the other side. Thank you.